Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my Minecraft pickaxe right here. So guys, and also please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So yeah, here it is. So first, you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you want to make a 8x8 grid. Okay, so you want to fold it in half like so. Then you want to unfold that. Then you want to fold the other side in half as well. Okay. Then you want to unfold that. Then you want to bring all the edges to the center line 2 times. Okay. So first, like this, and again, like so. Okay, so you want to do that for the rest of the side. Okay, finally the last side here. Okay, like so. And now you're gonna fold this up like a fan. So follow all the crease line right here. Okay, and make sure the edge is facing up. Okay, so fold up all the crease lines right there. It becomes this little fan. So, and make sure the edge is facing up. Okay, like a little 2 W's, double W's. Okay, and now you're going to do the same thing on this side, but later in the middle, you're going to leave one column to make the little triangle on top. Okay, so first you want to fold the first crease line right there. Okay, then fold down the corners. Then fold the second crease line right there. Okay, then fold down the corners. And now you're gonna leave the center line, and you see these 2 squares right there. You're gonna fold that diagonally. Okay, so there's gonna be 2 corners. Okay, and you're gonna fold that diagonally in half and fold that 2 corners in. Okay, and don't fold the center part. Then fold that down. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, and now you're gonna fold this whole thing in half. Make sure the edge is facing up, facing towards you. So the longer side should be towards you and the shorter side should be on the bottom. Okay, and you're gonna fold this whole thing in half, like so. Okay, and now fold this down, so, and for the both of the arm, make sure the center crease line right there is on the bottom side. Okay, so fold this arm down in a slight angle like this, about there, yeah, and fold the second arm down. Make sure the edge is on the bottom. Okay, flip this over. Okay, so it looks like this. And now you're gonna bring this point all the way up to this corner, okay, from right across. So make sure the edge is lined up, and bring this point all the way down to this corner right there, okay? Like that, okay? And you're gonna fold them inside, okay? So open it up and open up this pocket and fold that point inside. Okay, like so. And same thing on this side as well. So bring this point and fold it right where that corner is, okay? Unfold, then fold it inside. So open up this pocket and fold that in there. Okay. And now, you see where this corner is and where that corner is. You're gonna fold that in half. So bring this corner all the way to that crease line right there. Okay. Like so. And fold this back out. Okay, zigzag fold it. So bring that corner right back to there. Yeah, just keep losing focus for some reason. Okay, and then you see that flat side? Bring this edge and fold it right across. Like so. And then fold that edge back as well. Okay, same thing here. So fold this where this corner is up to where that bottom corner is. Okay, where that crease line is. Okay, then fold that corner back out to that edge, then where that flat side is on top right here, bring that whole edge down to the center. Okay, then fold that edge in. And now you want to open up this pocket right there in the middle and fold. See where that crease line is on the bottom? Fold it so that crease line touches that top edge. Okay, like that. Okay, then fold that crease line down. So fold it right up to that crease line. So bring this whole arm up to that crease line. Right there. Then fold that crease line down. Okay. So same thing on this side. So open up the center right there. Fold it right up to that crease line right there. Okay. So it touches the edge of those crease lines. Then fold that crease line down. Okay. Fold that up. Okay. And now you're going to kind of push that triangle forward to make the top of the pickaxe. Okay. Okay. You can, and now you're gonna make the pixel of the handle. Okay, so you're gonna zigzag fold like a fan all the way down. Okay. Okay, like that. Then going to fold in these corners right there. Okay, so you're going to use your nail, kind of push in those corners. So it's gonna take a while. Okay, and you get the point. So it should look like that, or kind of. So yeah, here's my Minecraft pickaxe. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.